Welcome to the world of extreme LEGO creations and machines. Are you ready to be amazed by the ingenuity and creativity of LEGO builders worldwide? From enormous vehicles to complex machines, this video showcases some of the most impressive and mind-blowing LEGO creations ever built. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be inspired here at Wonderlane. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness the power and might of the LEGO crushing machine. This incredible machine has been designed to crush even the most challenging objects into tiny pieces. But why is the LEGO crushing machine so powerful, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to its advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology. This machine is built in high-speed motors, which puts the two treadmills in high dynamics. A few LEGO grid parts ensure that the inserted object is caught and has no chance of being destroyed. If you want to test more challenging objects, you can attach two safety walls to both sides of the crushing machine, which ensures that the thing remains trapped in the cage. It's truly a sight to behold. The next machine is a truly unique and innovative LEGO creation that will blow your mind. A LEGO factory that can build houses out of cucumbers. That's right, you heard it correctly. This LEGO machine uses a series of intricate mechanisms and cutting-edge technology to construct homes made entirely of cucumbers. This machine does everything from laying the foundation to putting up the walls with stunning speed and accuracy. More precisely, 18 cucumbers are used to build a giant log house. In the beginning, the cucumbers are first cut into different lengths and the shell is removed. Then the foundation for the log house is placed. Then, with the help of an integrated gripper arm, the machine sets the next cucumber component precisely on the foundation and thus forms the walls of the house piece by piece. There is even a functioning drill, which drills holes in the corners of the house to fasten the construct with the help of toothpicks subsequently. Now only the roof is missing, and you have the finished log house from cucumber, built entirely by a LEGO machine. Just amazing. Vortices are powerful and dangerous natural phenomena that can wreak havoc on the environment. Now imagine combining the power of a vortex with a LEGO machine. That's right, we're talking about a LEGO machine that can create a natural vortex. This machine uses a combination of air pressure, speed, and clever engineering to generate a vortex with breathtaking speed and precision. How is this machine constructed? First, we have a tank filled with water placed on a flexible surface that rotates. Then, with the help of several powerful NXT motors, the container is set in rotation. Furthermore, there are magnets at the corners of the container so that the container rotates so quickly in a circle that a miniature vortex is created in the middle of the container. The remarkable feature of this machine is that you can scale it. You can make even more giant vortices using a larger container with more water and powerful motors. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was one of the greatest musical geniuses of all time. His classical music is known for its beauty, complexity, and timeless appeal. Would you believe us that there exists a LEGO creation that can also do this? But in fact, this is a working LEGO piano playing hand. First, a motor on the bottom of the hand can be charged by circulating a lever. Following this, the fingers are set in motion and the hand presses the notes of the little piano. How cool would it be to compose your piece of music with this unique construction? Each of us has undoubtedly played one or another board game in his childhood, so some of you might be familiar with this construction. Because next, we present you the LEGO Marble Maze game. In this game, the goal is to bring a marble on the wobbly bottom of a playing field through the maze to the destination. However, there are some holes on the way to the goal that you must dodge with your skill. The cool thing about this design is that the playing field is made entirely of LEGO pieces, so each of you can build your unique playing field. Our next creation is more of a blatant experiment. Because YouTuber Brickstory came up with a creative idea, this LEGO part can fire an arrow. For this, the needle is placed through the small hole in the opening. A spring mechanism fires the arrow by subsequently pressing it. The YouTuber now thought, what if you combined 400 small parts and let them all fire simultaneously? To do this, he put all the LEGO parts in a square. Then he fired all the arrows with the help of a LEGO rail. This looks enormously satisfying. Do you like cool boogies? Especially the ones made of LEGO? Then this LEGO RC excavator will blow you away. The tracked compact loader is a clever mix of RC and LEGO technique. With it, you can even be outdoors without any problems. Two motors power the excavator. The RC transmitter sends signals to the receiver connected to the LEGO motor. RC controllers control multiple LEGO motors simultaneously, allowing for complex and coordinated movements. This technical innovation ensures that the LEGO excavator is kept from being held up even in open spaces. The support of the motors also creates a greater lifting force for the bucket, allowing heavy objects such as bricks to be lifted easily. Even when heavy objects are in the bucket of the bugger, the tracked compact loader explicitly balances its weight on the rear axle. This prevents it from tipping over. Is this video real or just an optical illusion? Maybe you can recognize it. At first glance, you see a LEGO robot that appears to be walking on a treadmill, but you need to be corrected. The robot is held up by three very very thin nylon guidelines and only simulates walking. The walking Lego robot is set in motion by a built-in L motor, which sets its legs and arms in motion. The fantastic thing is that when you increase the speed on the treadmill, the robot adjusts its walking speed. This makes the walk on the treadmill look all the more real. However, our next Lego creation is not an optical illusion because this Lego creation is in motion around the clock. Tick tock, tick tock. Who doesn't love the sound of a clock ticking down the seconds? But have you ever seen a clock made entirely of Lego bricks? Imagine a fully functional pendulum clock with a swinging weight built from familiar plastic pieces. However, this construction is completed with more than individual Lego pieces. Otherwise, the mechanism would not work at all. We have here a built-in Lego motor that drives the moving weight. The satisfying weight in a pendulum clock serves as a source of energy for the clock's timing mechanism. When the weight falls due to gravity, potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, which is then used to turn gears and regulate movement. The weight is attached to the clock's pendulum through a system of pulleys or gears, which allows the pendulum to swing back and forth in a regular rhythm. This pendulum motion drives the hands of the clock and provides an accurate indication of the time. Are you ready for something truly extraordinary? Get ready to be amazed as we take you on a journey through the waters with a Lego creation like no other. The Lego boat train, not one, not two, but 10 different Lego boats are connected to form a train that moves through the water. That's right, this isn't just a static display. This is a fully functional watercraft. Each boat is carefully constructed using a combination of Lego bricks and specialized components explicitly designed for water travel. Even small motors and propellers are installed to provide the necessary thrust to move this special train through the water. But don't let the small size of these boats fool you. Together, they make for an impressive sight as they navigate the open water. The cool thing here is that you can control the entire Lego boat train comfortably from dry land via a PS4 controller, so you don't get wet as the captains. We have a remarkable experiment. YouTuber Brick Technology asked himself whether it would be possible to drive a Lego truck with this homemade air engine. The air engine consists of a rather complex mechanism which manages to convert the air supplied by a spray can into kinetic energy and thus set an object in motion. For this purpose, the YouTuber attached the axe of the Lego truck directly to the air engine. Therefore, the generated energy is now effective on the truck's tires. The axle, especially the front wheels, can be controlled via a remote controller. Thus, the driver can specify the direction in which the truck should drive. Well, there you have it, folks. We hope you enjoyed this showcase of unique Lego creations and machines that are sure to blow your mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content from the world of Lego. Until next time here at Wonderlane,